Not running well. Shuts down when the blades are engaged. Hi everyone, I'm the small engine mechanic. Today, we have a Honda HRX 217 mower with a choke issue. These are quick fixes and sometimes common issues. So, let's get started. Remove the 3 nuts holding the starter on, and the starter will lift right off. Then, lift the blower housing and fuel tank and set them aside. Unplug the spark plug wire for safety. Then the filter cover and filter. Next, we will remove the filter housing. Loosen the bolts and remove the governor plate bolt. If you have some extra long screws, you can insert them when you pull these bolts. They help with reassembly. Now, remove the housing and be sure to connect the breather hose when done. Now, the governor plate can be removed. Then, slide the carburetor out some, then the choke assembly. And here is the issue, the thermal wax assembly is stuck. Using a pair of pliers, grab the end and pull it out. And there we have it. The needle gets pushed out when the engine is warm and retracts when it is cold. So we're going to be installing part number 16620-Z8D-842. Reinstall the new assembly. Then slide the choke assembly back in place, then the carburetor, then the governor plate. Thread the governor plate bolt back in. Then the filter housing gasket, and the filter housing, remembering to reconnect the breather hose. Swap the stud screws for the bolts. Then run all the bolts down, and tighten them. Reconnect the spark plug. Blower housing and starter are next. Hand start the starter nuts, then tighten them down. Reinstall the filter and cover.
Make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified of more tips and how-to videos.
Now, let's give this a try. The engine is running smoothly. Let's try to engage the blades. Sound strong. Well, you know what that means.
It looks like another one is good to go.